Today on my channel, guys, we're making a spicy chicken and cucumber stir fry with mushrooms. So let's get started. To make our spicy chicken and cucumber stir fry here, we have a piece of chicken here. It's a nice chicken breast, but we're going to need to slice that up like thin, like not too thick, you know. All right, let's get started doing that. It's a nice breast. Okay, let's turn them sideways a little bit here. And we're going to chop them up like little cubes. See them? There you go. And we're going to go ahead and put them in a bowl. Okay, now we got to clean our cutting board here. We'll just move this out of the way here. Yeah, now we're going to make a marinade for our chicken here. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And we're going to mix that up. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now we're going to add about a 1/4 cup of soy, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of crushed red peppers. Yeah, that'll kick it up a notch. And a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, let's go ahead and mix that up. Get your hand right in there with a glove, it works best. Okay, now we're just going to put that aside and let that marinate for maybe half an hour to an hour. Now we're going to take our large cucumber here, pretty straight one. Alright, we're going to go ahead and slice him up, so we'll cut it in half this way. Just like that. And if you want to remove the seeds, you can go down through the middle, real easy like. Turn it around. Okay, just like that. And we'll do the other one. Okay. Now you're not going to get all your seeds, but they're pretty good. Alright, let's put this one aside for a minute. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and flip it over. And I like them in strips, because you can cut them this way in little chunks if you want, which is good. We might do it that way, but we're going to try strips this time. Okay, now once you get them in strips like that, you can go ahead and just put them back together, and you can cut them on an angle. Make them as big as you want. Just like that. Then we're going to put them in a bowl. Okay, let's do the other one. We'll just flip it over. Now you can cut this like you can cut it any way you like, but I like it. Try to do it in strips. So we're gonna try to do it this way. Okay, that ought to do it. Okay, there you go. See, they're pretty nice. Nice little strips. If you take your time, you can do a really, really nice job of it. So, we're going to make these a little longer. Just like that. Okay, we'll put them in there. Now we'll put that aside. Yep, make sure you keep your cutting board clean. Now we're just going to go ahead and chop up a few carrots here. We'll just slice them up. Okay, we'll just put them in a bowl. Okay. Yeah, we also sliced up some red and green bell peppers here with a little bit of onion. Now it's about 1/4 of a bell pepper each. So it'll add some color and it'll make it look nice. Yeah, tastes good too. Yeah, to make our spicy chicken cucumber stir fry with mushrooms, we have a cucumber here that we sliced up. We have our chicken breast that we're marinating in soy sauce, red peppers, black pepper, and minced garlic. Yeah, that sounds good. And a little bit of cayenne pepper. Yep. Okay, and we have sliced carrots, and we have mushrooms here. They're all sliced up. And we have green peppers, red peppers, and some onions here. Yeah, that'll make it look nice. Now all we had to do is start stir frying. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's get to it. Okay, let's set our burner to medium high. And we're going to put some oil in the pan here. And we're going to let that heat up a little bit. Okay, our pan's hot enough. Let's take our chicken here that we're marinated. And we'll put that right in there. Boy, that marinade really smells good. Okay, let's lower our heat a little bit. Our heat's set at about medium. Okay, they're about done there for now. Yeah, we don't want to overcook them. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them in a bowl here. Take them back out of the pan. Boy, they smell good. Okay. Look at that soy sauce in there. Wow. And them spices. Beautiful. Okay, can you see it? Yeah, they're going to be tasty. Wow. Okay, we'll put them over here for now. We'll put them aside. Now we're going to make sure we have enough oil in the pan. And we're going to go ahead and take our cucumbers here. Yep. And we're going to put them right in there. And we're going to take our green peppers and our red peppers and onions. And we're going to put them right in there. Okay, and we're going to put our carrots that we sliced up, put them in there. Now we're going to give them a stir here. Wow, that's a lot of vegetables there. Cucumbers look nice. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of water, maybe a couple ounces here. And we're gonna stir them up here a little bit. Okay. Now we're gonna cover them and let them steam a little bit and get a little more tender. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay, let's see how we're doing here. Yeah, they look good. Okay, let's lower our heat. Okay, let's put on our mushrooms. Boy, does that smell good. Yeah, it don't take long for the mushrooms to get cooked because they're, you know, canned mushrooms. Okay, let's put back our marinated chicken. Yeah, that's good. Okay, let's stir that in. Wow. I wish you could smell this because it's beautiful. Alright, that's about done right there. By the time that pan cools down, it'll be done. Okay, let's shut our burner off. Boy, I can't wait to get into that. That smells really, really good. That's all I gotta say about that. Yep, this is gonna be delicious. I can tell. What about you guys? Can you tell? Okay guys, we're just going to go ahead and let this cool down just a little bit. And we're going to serve it up. Yeah, that sounds good. Well, there you have it guys. Our spicy chicken and cucumber stir fry. With plenty of mushrooms, plenty of cucumbers, green and red peppers and onions. Yeah. We also made some rice. And we put some cucumbers on there and some chicken and mushrooms. Yeah, this is going to be tasty. With that marinated chicken in there with the soy sauce and all those really good spices and a little bit of the cayenne pepper and the red pepper. Yeah, tasty. I can smell it from here. Yeah, this is going to be good. Yeah, we're going to put a little sesame seed on there. Yeah, that looks nice. Okay, let's just get into a little bite here. Let's have a taste. We get a nice mushroom here and all. Can you see it? Wow. Okay, let's have a little bite. Boy, is that tasty. You're gonna love this one here. Let's just get into a little piece of the chicken here. Yeah. Oh yeah. Boy, is that tasty. Let's check the rice out. Good. Never knew cucumbers could taste this good. No way. Boy, what a dinner this is. Yep, I'm gonna have to invite a friend or two over because this is a lot to eat. Okay. Yeah, you know what's gonna go good with that? Yep. A nice chilled glass of wine. Here we go. Or maybe even two. That sounds even better. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one. Good.